Ill-fitting clothes and long intros, I'm SD, and no. Now, stop me if you've heard this one before. You go out and you buy yourself a new dress shirt, and it most likely looks like this garbage bag. Well, guess what? 20 minutes of measuring and cutting and sewing, and we were able to make it look just amazing. But see, there's still one really big problem. These buttons, these ugly buttons. Raise your hand if you like white dress shirt buttons on colored shirts. I didn't think so. What we are gonna do is we are gonna change them to these wood ones, and it's gonna take us like 20 minutes. And we just need 3 things. We need a seam ripper, we need some thread, and we need a sewing needle. All of which you can find anywhere. Check Target, check Walmart, check Amazon, they're around. Step 1, see those 2 stitches running like an X across our button? Yeah, good. We're gonna take our seam ripper and we are gonna cut both of those stitches. And then we're gonna flip our placket over so that we can see the back side of our button, and we're gonna just cut that side too. And then at that point, pop, your button should just pop right off. And if it doesn't, just do some more cutting and pulling and it'll come off. Step 2, these are our new awesome looking wood buttons, and they were about $2.68 for a pack of 50 at Walmart. Yes, they were made for projects like this, and yes, they will hold up just fine in the wash. Now, the circumference of our new button is close enough to the circumference of our old button, which means we're not gonna have any issues of, well, being able to button it. But yes, it's happened before where I'll put buttons on that are too big for the buttonhole, and then I can't button it up. But there's actually a very easy solution for that. Hang on, you ready for this? Get some scissors and just cut, just barely cut it. You're gonna hear about 5 or 6 strands of fabric being cut. That's all you need. You do not need a lot, and then boom, it'll go right in. When you sew that new button on, line your new button right in the middle of your placket, and you see 4 holes right there. Just alternate your needle and thread through all 4 of those holes. Pass through each of them about 4 or 5 times from front to back. And then on that last pass, when you push the needle from the front of the shirt to the back of the shirt, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a double knot. And that just keeps it right there. Repeat that 6 times and you're good. Oh, I'm sorry, you've never tailored a dress shirt before? Just go check out the description. You will learn everything you need to know how to do. You will know how to measure it. You will know how to tailor it. You'll know where to get a sewing machine, just all that, just go. But hey, SD, why don't I just go buy a shirt that already has the buttons on it that I want instead of sewing on new buttons? Yeah, you could do that, but you know what? Companies are not dumb. They know what they're doing. You will pay a premium for nicer buttons as opposed to those cheap generic white buttons that they put on. So instead of paying the markup that they're then passing off onto you for whatever reason, why not go pay about $1.25 per shirt to change those buttons to whatever you want? Next time you're in the bathroom, take a look in the mirror and ask yourself this: how many guys do you see out there who have white dress shirt buttons on their shirt? A whole lot, right? How many guys do you see out there who have wood dress shirt buttons on their shirts? Probably not that many. So not only have you taken that shirt that you probably didn't pay that much money for and tailored it to make it look amazing on you, you have now changed those buttons to make it completely unique to you. Guess who's gonna be standing out at that office Christmas party? This guy. Everybody's sleeping, so I should stop yelling. Whoops. SD out. Deuces.